Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls at this earbuds located at the back side of each earbud. Right here at the top we have it. So also we haven't single press. Maybe you try to single press. There is no feature for this gesture. So try to double press, triple press, press and hold, or swipe, depends what you want to do. Now, if you know that you tap on them correctly, next step is to perform the soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from the phone. After that, open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the case, and check, is it fixed. Also, sometimes it happens with all Bluetooth devices that don't want to reconnect automatically. If you have this problem, go to the settings. Now, Bluetooth for connected devices, and at the device list, tap at your earbuds. If the soft reset didn't help you also, maybe the problem that you set some feature to none. So open HUAWEI AI Life application or HUAWEI Connect application. Then we need to be in the headphones menu. Scroll down, you need to find gesture control. If you have HUAWEI Connect, you will have them at the left side. So you will have the same text, the same icon. Click on it, and as you can see right now, my left earbud for the double press set to none. So if you have it, click on it and select some gesture and then check it again. I recommend you to do this for all your gestures. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.